What's going on, everybody? We're back in the shop tonight. We're gonna try to make some crush panels, so let's get to it and see what we can get done. Well, got the right rear crush panel in. Turned out all right, pretty tight. Alright, got the left front crush panel in. All the crush panels are done now, so we'll get back in here in a night or two and we'll get this ductwork finished up. See y'all in a couple nights. Alright, we back in the shop on this beautiful Thursday afternoon, and I'm about to start working on the ductwork, and I got the Diesel back there, and I'm gonna show y'all what he's doing. Alright, Diesel, tell them about what you're doing here.
Alright, what we're doing here is we got us some fans that we ordered offline, and we're gonna make us some wheel fans that are gonna mount up on the wheels. Cool these brakes and all down. We'll come in from practice and see if we can get this thing set up and get it hooked up in the right direction.
Yeah, so he's kind of copying some stuff everybody else probably bought as what's it called, wheel chill.
Wheel chill.
So we're gonna try to kind of do the same deal that they do. Might not be exact, but we got these fans and let's see, where's these magnets? All right, got these magnets, and we're gonna make some
wheel chill.
Some wheel chill. So that's what he's working on. Got something else real neat. We got these brake ducts in from 3D components. Real neat stuff, lightweight, small. If anybody's looking for some, go check them out on Facebook, 3D Components. All right, we're back in here on this Saturday morning. Got a little help here today, so we're gonna see what we can get done. Got Mr. Allen here. He's taking this old wrap off so we can get ready for some new graphics. We're good right there?
Yep.
Can you get that one?
Right.
You ready to go across 501 at first right to the left? Look at those poles. The road just looks like in the curve. You might have seen my granddad somewhere in that.
That's the one I'm talking about. Nope. Start. Start. Turns with it.
Alright guys, so that's gonna do it for today. We finally got all our aluminum work done, our duct work, crushed panels, everything's buttoned up. We got our brake ducts in. Now we just gotta mount some brake fans and hoses this week. But so the next video we should be showing starting to do the setup work on the car. So I want to thank y'all for tuning in with us, and hopefully the next video will be a little better, a little longer. But we'll see y'all next week.